girls on TikTok look like this. I am determined to learn how to do my hair in a nice way before I move out the country, because this looks stupid. This is like a f***ing mustache. What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, travelers? It is your girl SRT Bree, aka Big Bree, aka Travel Bree, and I'm back with another banger. So before you even start watching this video, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn the post notification bell on so you can stay tuned and drop these bangers back to back, because I am dropping back to back. I have an announcement to make. I decided to move to Japan this year. But before I go, I want to learn how to do my own hair, because I don't know how to do my hair. I'm a tomboy, but I like to be pretty, you know, but I don't wear makeup. You guys know I really don't wear wigs and tracks and shit like that. But I want to learn how to do my own hair, because I know when I'm traveling over there, I want to make sure that my hair is maintained and I don't have to rely on anybody else to do my hair but me. So we finna learn together, y'all. Like, I've never ever installed a wig on my hair ever before until today. After graduating TikTok Hair University, I decided to go on Amazon and purchase all the products that I need to get this hair going. All right, so first thing I did was bought a wig. So this is a 28-inch human hair body wave. I don't know how to tell the difference between human and synthetic hair, so if you girly girls know below, let me know, because I don't know the difference. So the wig actually came with a wig cap already in the box. I got a pack of wig caps because I didn't know that it's gonna come with one, and plus I'm gonna be practicing doing wigs on my hair anyway, so I need multiple wig caps. I also purchased a pack of elastic bands so I could melt the wig. What the hell? A rat tail comb, the edge brush. I got another brush. Well, it came in a pack, but wig glue. I see a lot of girls, they use two different type of wig glues to like secure their wig, so I just got them both. And then I got a blow dryer because I do not put heat on my hair, and obviously I need the blow dryer to like put the cap down. Yeah, so let's go. Fuck, what I do next? Do I do it on my hairline though, or do I do it before my hairline? Like, what the fuck? I don't know what I'm doing. Hello? Do I do this? Do I put this on my hairline?
You put it a little before your hairline.
Fuck. Damn, I put this shit all on my hairline.
I mean, that's fine, but when you cut it before your hairline, and when you put the wig on there, put it before your hairline. On your hair.
Alright, bet. Alright. After consulting with my sister, who is much more of a girly girl than I am, she said that you're really not supposed to put it on your hairline, but I did it, and you're supposed to put it above your hairline, but it's too late. I just hope this shit don't fuck up my... Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Like, I know how to change my tire, change my oil, and do shit like that, but oh my god, like, this is so... How do I know when to stop? Okay, so I think it is dry. What does it mean? So I feel like I glued too much down, right? Because what if I want to put the hair behind my ear, right? Did I glue this too much down, or is this right? So I do not wear makeup. So I had to go to freaking CVS and get some foundation powder, right? This shit. Alright. So I know next time I need to do this with my contacts in, so my glasses won't be obstructing my face. Do I gotta use flaps? Girl, I don't know. You ask me like I know. The fuck? Like, if y'all want to know how to like change your car battery, change your oil in your car, or change your fucking tire, I can do that. This wig shit and makeup, no ma'am. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey. So since it's only a lace right here, that means I only gotta glue this part, right? So do I gotta cut this off? Cause it's come over the, oh my god, what the fuck am I doing? think I fucked up. I think I was supposed to put, damn, I fucked up. Because you're supposed to put it on the bottom and then lay it down, right? Dot, 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 dot. Right? And then I do like this. And then when it gets tacky, push down, right? I love the hair. Not gonna lie, I do love the hair. Damn, my dumb ass. This shit. I look stupid as fuck right now. I ain't see nobody else on TikTok look like this during this stage. Fuck it. I look stupid as fuck right now. What I do now? I separated baby hairs in the front. We're just gonna start off right here. Fuck it, we're gonna use scissors. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this shit even like a motherfucker. I'm gonna be like, Don't know what I'm doing. I be seeing this on TikTok. Damn, I ain't Google how to keep these baby hairs down. How to keep this down. Oh yeah, no, I think I'm doing it. I am determined to learn how to do my hair in a nice way before I move out the country. Cause this looks stupid. This is like a fucking mustache. Oh my God. I look stupid as hell. Fuck TikTok. I don't got one of them things that you can, them hot combs that you lay down in the middle part. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna flat iron this part, root part. It's not giving. It's not. Wish me luck. This is how it's gonna be. I'm gonna be. This is how it's gonna be. Cause this ain't it.